we are getting really close to wrapping up this Bronco, but we appreciate you guys joining us again this week. More Metal Cloak. If you haven't noticed the theme, we really like Metal Cloak stuff. Really enjoy their offerings for the Bronco. They've really got nailed down some super sweet product. This will be another fun one, another skid plate. We are going to do the Muffler skid plate. And I'm here to tell you, this thing is huge. The box is huge. And if you do any shipping online, you should keep all your Raptors, because they got a lot of it. This is so much stuff to take to the recycling place when we're done. Oh, the best part, more stickers. Every box, I'm telling you. You won't run out of Metal Cloak stickers when you buy their stuff. Okay. So there's the bulk of what we're going to be installing. There's some bracketry that's in the box here. Got some bracketry and some hardware. That is huge. It's huge. But I will give him defense. The muffler is freaking huge. It is extremely vulnerable, especially if you're playing the rocks, logs, tree stumps, anything of nature. It's going to be really super easy for you to damage your muffler on your Bronco. So much so that we've already seen them in here kind of all smashed up and wadded up and had to fix them and stuff. This would be a great investment if you don't want to relocate your muffler under the vehicle, or if you just don't want to smash the darn thing. So this is a great investment. So here we've got everything kind of laid out and ready. We've got all of our hardware all staged and ready. We kind of preemptively took a look at interference we might have with the JCR bumper. We think we're going to be okay. So now we're going to start putting this bad boy in.
Oh, excuse me.
Like a chihuahua. Leg going crazy. Once you get it loosely fit in place, you get all the bolts started in the front and the back. Start with the bolts on the skid. Start with those bolts right there. Then go to the ones holding it to the chassis.
and come back.
Okay. There is your finished installed product. It matched up well with the JCR bumper. It's got good clearance around it. It's going to be super strong. It'll stop you from destroying that muffler. Super awesome skid plate. If you don't want to relocate your muffler, and you want to leave your muffler where it's at, that's not a big deal really, but it is very susceptible to damage. So this is a great option. I'm sure there are other companies that make a good skid too. I don't really know. I don't pay a lot of attention to some of the less than stellar brands out there. But this Metal Cloak one's a really good option for you. Super strong, very well built, super simple to install. So if you're looking for a good muffler skid plate, give us a call, get a hold of Metal Cloak. Appreciate you guys sticking around, and we will see you next week. We are getting really close to being done with this Bronco.